Welcome back, everyone. I am your host, Byron Keith, and this is ExcelRadio, where we are looking to excel the lives of our listeners through enhanced thinking by information that is given to you on these shows. Now, today's topic is going to be family credit. Family credit is a phrase that I coined myself based off of the need for family members. Now, the importance of family, which kind of goes without saying, we need our family members for guidance and advice. We need our family to give us purpose in life. And ultimately, we need our family to be the example of love that we need so we can go out and be the best individual that we can be. Now, these things look different at different stages in life. I mean, what your parents were important to you when you were a kid, or any of your family members when you were a child, may not apply at later stages in life. Now, my listeners and watchers now, they're between the ages of 24 to 35, and the advice and the examples of love that they had when they were children may not look the same. Now, to define what family credit means is, you know that when you're in a sticky situation, there are certain people that you call and there are certain people that you do not call. But if you have been taking care of your family credit, meaning being that example of love, giving good, sound, and prudent advice, then when it comes time for a family member to call you, they won't hesitate because they know that they're getting what they actually need. And so that's what I wanted to talk to you all about today. Family credit. You want to uphold that because, one, when you're in a sticky situation, you want to be able to call a family member. And then two, if you're the person receiving the call, you want to know that, hey, this person is really calling me because they really need this guidance, this advice. They need reinforcement of their purpose. They need me, and I'm there for them. So just a quick tip there for you all to uphold your family credit. It is the holiday season. It has been a successful beard season for me. I am your host, Byron Keith, signing off.